Good morning, good morning. This is my ginger. Ginger, Luya. See the look. It's starting to grow. Okay. Okay guys, mga mapuslan nga plants. Display pang display na siya. This one. This. Sumisilip na yung ano guys, tagumpay. Alright. Ito tagumpay. Tambok manggod ng lupa dari guys. So marami siya. Ayan. Tambok kayo. The coconut pare hina. Hada wahid. Itnin. Hada papaya. Hina Pilipin. Hada malunggay. Precious. Mia. The other one plants. The other one coconut. The other one coconut. This is a fruit. This is a golden fruit, buddy. Hada aywa. We have so much vegetables here. This one vegetables. Hada chili. Look. Shop. Hada tomato. Hada. Tomato. Shop. Too much. Hada plants. Flower. Ada tomato mujud. Tomato. Coming. Shop. Another one here. Ada chicken. Ada talong. Ada mujud na tomato. Shop. Mia bye. Shop ada. Guys, wala maapi guys. Guys, alin. Shop ada. Syukran.